processing, we are able to undertake complete turnkey projects, including process technology consulting, feasibility analysis, project coordination and management, product technical know-how, installation and commissioning, etc. And our firm commitment to quality products and thoughtful services allow each and every customer to feel confident in our products and feel safe to use them. We adhere to a customer-centric principle and are keen to create an all-staff, full-process, all-weather S530 customer service system.